Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what makes soil different from place to place? Understanding soil texture is crucial for farming, gardening, and environmental studies. In today's short experiment, let us explore soil texture step by step using simple techniques that make learning joyful and hands on. This experiment is about soil texture. Let us know what has to be done to find out the soil texture. Very simple experiment can be done at your own place. Let us list out what we required for this experiment. First thing, take a transparent jar with the lid, scale, soil, water. Then we need soil texture triangle. It's an instrument used both in the field and laboratory to determine based on their physical texture. So let's see what has to be done with all these materials. We have to collect the sample soil. We can take either from our home garden or from the streets or from the ground or from the farmland. Gather soil from different locations. Then place each sample in separate container. I have taken here one sample from home garden. So next step is fill a jar halfway with soil and add water. 3/4 of the jar. Stir it well with a stick and let it rest for a while, say around a day. After it is kept for rest, almost 3 layers you can see in the collected sample soil. The bottom layer is sand, the second layer, that is a middle layer, is a silt, and the top layer is a clay. You can easily differentiate with the appearance. Then take a scale, mark each layer and measure and note down the each layer length in centimeters. Each layer measurement you have to write in centimeters. Then we have to work out on the percentage of each part of the soil. The sample soil we have collected, in this we could find out 3 layers. The layer 1, the bottom layer, it is a sand and it is about 1.8 centimeters. The second layer is a silt and it is about 3 centimeters. And the third layer is a clay and it is about 0.4 centimeters. The total of all these layers is 5.2 centimeters. Now we can easily convert each one of these layers into percentage. So to convert percentage, we have to take each layer's measurement and divide it by total into 100. So first, that is sand. So here we can see 1.8 divided by 5.2 into 100. The result is 34.6%. Then silt is 57.7%. Clay is 7.7%. So altogether it is 100%. Now we can present the collected data in the form of pie chart. So finish off by drawing a pie chart of the different proportions, and as noted above, compare the results with the other soils. So you might have collected with a different soil. So do compare. After preparing a pie chart, you will understand the difference between the sample soil collected from different areas. So how to find out which type of soil we have collected? What is the texture of the soil? For that, we have to take the soil triangular. Here we can see in this we have to locate all the 3 layers. In the bottom layer, sand, towards right, silt, towards left, clay. So all the measurements have been marked over here. After marking, we can understand the type of soil we have collected is a silt loam. So let us see what are the characteristics of silt loam. It is a smooth, flowy feel when moist and sticky when wet. Silt is dominant particle among all the three. Then moderate water holding capacity it has. It is fertile to grow wheat, potatoes, peas and vegetables. Now let us know what are the uses of this experiment. It helps farmers choose crops suitable for their soil type. You can see clay holds more water than the sand. Then guides the gardener in selecting soil treatments. Then engages students in environmental science activities. Helps to understand drainage and plant growth. Before I conclude, I want to ask you to find out which soil type is best suited for farming and why. How does soil texture affect water absorption and drainage? Which type of soil is used in the construction site? Explore many more. So, soil texture influences everything from farming to construction. By understanding soil type, we enhance environmental awareness and develop critical thinking skills. Try this at home, in school, or as a classroom project because learning should always be engaging and hands on. Happy learning. Thank you. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, share,